Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. This is Lukman Rafiq here. I'm the principal at Escribir Academy. We have brought in ACCA free courses for all of you people, and the specific reason of us bringing that ACCA free course is a lot of students are still waiting for the March examination results before they can plan for the June or September attempt. But unfortunately, what happens is that till the time the March result is going to be announced, you would not have much time left to prepare for the June. So what Escribir Academy is doing is, Escribir Academy is helping you avail free of cost ACCA lectures for all the courses starting from F5, which is performance management, till the AAA, which is the advanced audit and assurance. So all of the courses you can avail free of cost by using the code ACCA trial. Now, how exactly are you going to avail it? Let me guide you through the whole process. You have in front of you this Google Chrome. So there is this website of Escribir, which is escribiracademy.com. You're going to go on to this specific website. Once you will go onto this website, so there is a login button which you are going to click. So once you're going to click on this login button, there is an option of login plus register. So what you got to do is that you got to register. In case if you don't have an account at Escribir Academy's website, it's a completely free of cost registration. Once you have registered, then go on to the login. So what I am going to do is that I've got an ID which is already registered. So I am going to be using that ID and I will be logging into the portal using that specific ID. Now, once I actually log into the portal, there is obviously this login instructions that is being given to you. Once I log into the portal, so here is my dashboard. The courses which I have already registered for, those courses are appearing in here. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to go and click on this ACCA. Once I will click on the ACCA, all of the ACCA courses which are available at the Escribir's website are now available in front of you. So like let's say for example, you wish to avail a course on the SBL. So you could click on this view details. Once you would click on this view details, all that you have to do is that you have to click on here, which is to add the promo code. You would click in here, you would put in the promo code, which is ACCA trial. And once you have put in the promo code, you just have to click the buy now button. Now what you could see is that the whole course has become free of cost for you. You just need to click enroll now, and once you would click enroll now, this course is now going to be appearing in your dashboard. You will click on the view this course, and what you could see is that there is the whole course that has now become open to you. You can play the lectures of the whole course and you can enjoy these lectures free of cost. We have brought in this offer for you people just to make sure that
All
you
right.
are able
There's
to avail this offer and prepare yourself for the ACCA examinations for the June attempt in advance. So this offer is valid till the 22nd of April. You can study 24/7 as many lectures as you would wish to, the whole course even if you wish to, up till the 22nd of April. This is completely free of cost. After that obviously there is going to be a charge, but till 22nd of April this is completely free of cost. So I wish you all the best in your attempt to avail the free of cost ACCA course. Enjoy these lectures and hopefully inshallah you will love them. So have a good time and take care.